Well, law enforcement officers from across Missouri want clarification on a new state law that invalidates federal gun laws.
Our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley explains why it's causing some police departments to cut ties with federal task forces. Emily.
Good evening, ladies. The law is called the Second Amendment Preservation Act, better known as SAPA, and it went into effect in August. It nullifies federal gun laws and allows a police department to be sued up to $50,000 for violating someone's Second Amendment rights. It's causing confusion for law enforcement agencies and affecting how officers protect Missourians.
If the court can give us that clarification, then we can go back to business as usual. But right now it's caused a lot of confusion.
One of the largest controversial bills passed by the General Assembly in the past year is causing hesitancy.
I have known chiefs who've had to resign from the drug task force boards.
Chris DiGiuseppe is an executive board member for the Missouri Police Chiefs Association.
Police departments are running into those dilemmas, and that is causing problems.
He says law enforcement is pro Second Amendment, but the language in the law is vague.
Lawmakers, I think, did not have any intention of these unintended consequences. Most of those we work with are very pro-police.
I think you're going to have to present an incredibly compelling case that what we did has had a direct impact on XYZ enforcement, and we're going to have to see that.
In the Capitol, some Republicans say they don't see a need to revise the rule.
I think I disagree with some of their assessments, and that's where I'm at today.
Concerned any change might not protect Missourians' Second Amendment right.
And then you're going to have to give us a solution that fixes that problem and doesn't undo the other things that we want to do. I haven't seen that yet, and I'd be surprised if there's anything out there that'll change most of our minds.
Roughly 60 police chiefs have signed affidavits in court, not wanting to overturn the law, but wanting clarification.
Attorneys or legal advisors and/or insurance companies telling us, no, you might be at risk. You could get sued. This could bring about frivolous lawsuits because of the wording when you put a stolen gun into the computer.
Now, both St. Louis City and County, along with Jackson County, tried to prevent the law from going into effect. The judge sided with the state. Then the lawsuit was appealed to the Missouri Supreme Court, where it's set to be heard next month. Reporting live tonight from Missouri State Capitol Bureau in Jefferson City, I'm Emily Manley, Fox 2 News.